Hi everyone and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a really fun treat for you and your family. It's quick and easy to make. Chocolate nut raisin clusters. This recipe has only 3 ingredients. Well, 4 if you want to count salt. Alright, let's quickly make this together. Both the cups and the gram measurements of the ingredients are listed in the description section. We need 1 cup of chocolate morsels. You can either use milk chocolate or dark chocolate. 1/4 cup of raisins and 1/2 cup of mixed nuts. These nuts are roasted and unsalted. You can also add in pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds. Also dry shredded coconut would be tasty. I'm also using 1/2 cup of white chocolate morsels and 1/4 cup of dry roasted cashew nuts. Some salt to taste. Okay, then let's get started. Take a microwave safe bowl. I'm using my fancy bowl. Add in the brown chocolate morsels and add a sprinkle of salt. In case you're using salted nuts, you can skip this. To another bowl, add in the white chocolate morsels and also sprinkle them with some salt. Melt the chocolate in the microwave in 30-second increments. 1 cup of chocolate morsels should take around 1 minute in total. Mix well till you get nice, smooth, melted chocolate. If you haven't already, you can take a look at the recipes on my channel, Nupur's Indian Kitchen. If you like them, you can always consider subscribing. I post recipes every week. Okay, now add in the nuts and the raisins and just coat them really well with the chocolate. So I'm following the instructions of my daughter and adding only cashew nuts to the white chocolate, but you can obviously add other nuts as well. Now line a plate or a tray with wax paper and scoop out the mix in whatever size you wish. This is really easy to take out from a wax paper or a parchment paper. I have tried it on a plastic plate, but it actually sticks harder. You can try using a glass plate if you want. That works better than a plastic plate for sure. Once this is done, you can chill this in the refrigerator for around 30 minutes till they firm up, or if you're impatient like me, then quickly stick it in the freezer for 7 to 10 minutes and it should be ready. If you're using a glass plate though, don't put it in the freezer, it's going to crack. See how easily they come off the wax paper? There they are, perfectly crunchy and chocolatey. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and share it with your friends and their families. Do give me a thumbs up if you liked it. You can follow me on all these different social media sites. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.